Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to connect Power Automate with Gmail connector. So let's go to the Power Automate Studio. Click on Create. Choose Instant Cloud Flow. Let me give its name to Send Email. Choose Manual Trigger a Flow. Click on Create. Click on Add. So now as we have to send email using Gmail option, so best approach is to find the connector first and then find the action. So we will search for Gmail connector over here. So this connector is now showing 3 actions. So to view all the available actions, click on see more. Now choose send email option. So here we need to connect with the Gmail connector. So click on accept. So there are two parameters, connection name and authentication type. So here we have two types of authentication to connect with Gmail connector. The one is the use default shared application and second one is bring your own application. So right now I don't have client ID and client secret. So we will choose the default shared applications. Okay. So here connection name, we will put a name as Gmail connection. Sorry, we'll say Gname connector. Click on sign in. So this will open in Gmail authentication dialog. Here choose the email account to whom we want to gain access to Microsoft Power Automate. So I'll select courseelevate@gmail.com. Click continue. So here you'll see Microsoft Power Platform wants access to your Gmail account. So here it will you need to provide access to read, compose, send and permanent delete all the your email from Gmail. Click continue. So here you go. Now I am successfully connected to courseelevate@gmail.com. Okay. So now here in the advanced parameter, so there it drop down. So I'll need a subject and body. So I'll choose these two options. Okay. So here in the two you need to provide the email address. So one thing you have to make sure to which Gmail account you have to use to send the email. So because right now Power Automate is connected to courseelevate@gmail.com. So all email will be triggered from here. Okay. So let me send this email to myself. So you can send email to not only Gmail to any account. Okay. So here subject I'll say email from Power Automate. So in the body I'll say this email I have received from Power Automate Gmail connector. Cool. Click on save. So flow is ready. We recommend you test it. Okay. So click on test and choose the manual option. As we don't have previous run, click on test. So this green icon shows that Power Automate has been successfully connected with the Gmail connector. Click continue and run flow. So your flow runs successfully. To monitor it, go to the flow run page. Here we can see the start time and the run duration is 780 millisecond and the status is text succeeded. So let me check the email. Here you go. Email from Power Automate. So I received this email I received from Power Automate Gmail connector. So this is how you can use the Gmail connector to send email from Power Automate. Thank you.